Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb in Messenger. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on Messenger and then click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Click on Settings and then scroll down until you find Notification and Sounds. So the first option is Do Not Disturb. You can click on it and it will ask you either muting the notification for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hour, 24 hours, or until tomorrow. This is up to you. So let's say I want to turn on Do Not Disturb for 15 minutes. I'm gonna click on for 15 minutes. And whenever you want to turn it off, you always go back to the same place and turn it off. And that is how you can turn on Do Not Disturb in Messenger. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.